Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Nuratifa Zahro, and in this video I will explain my group article entitled Exploring EFL Students' Critical Reading Skill in Evaluating Online Information. So I will explain this article based on its main section from the abstract until the conclusion. So in the abstract, this study talks about the importance of critical reading skill for EFL students in the digital era. Today, students often read information from the internet. However, not all online information is true or reliable because EFL students read in English. They need to understand the language and also judge the information at the same time. So this study aims to explore how EFL students can evaluate online information, and the participants were like 21 third semester students from the English Education Department at Universitas Maritim Raja Ali Haji. The results show that students are generally aware of critical reading and can detect unreliable information. However, they still have difficulty in identifying bias and persuasive language. And in the introduction, in the digital era, university students use the internet for learning and daily activities. Online information is easy to access, but it is not always trustworthy. Many students read online text quickly and often believe the information without checking the source. This habit make them vulnerable to fake news and online scams. Critical reading helps students question information, check credibility, and think carefully before believing online content. And for EFL students, this skill is more challenging because they must read in a foreign language. Because of this problem, this study focused on EFL students' critical reading skill when reading online information. Theory critical reading. Critical reading means reading carefully and not accepting information immediately. It involves checking facts, identifying opinions, and recognizing bias. In FL in FL context, students often focus on understanding vocabulary and grammar. As a result, they may not fully evaluate the meaning and purpose of the text. Digital literacy in this ability to find, understand, and evaluate online information. Online texts often look confusing even when they are false. Students sometimes choose websites based on appearance, such as logo or design, instead of checking the source and evidence. Critical reading and digital literacy help students avoid online deception. By thinking critically, students can identify misleading message and suspicious information. And this study used quantitative descriptive method. I'm repeat again. This study used a quantitative descriptive method. The participants were 21 third semester EFL students from the English Education Department at University Maritim Raja Ali Haji. Two instruments were used. First, a questionnaire to measure students' opinions about their critical reading habits. Second, a reading test using a real online example such as a fake email from a bank, an online shopping promotion with very big discount, and last, a delivery message with a suspicious file, like we put the false file. And the data were analyzed using simple statistics such as average and percentage. And finding questionnaire result, the questionnaire results show the student believe they have good critical reading skill. Most students say that critical reading is important and that they often check online information. However, some students still find it difficult to identify biased language and decide whether information is true or false. And in the test result, show that students perform well in identifying online scams and misleading message. Most students could recognize fake emails, suspicious link, and dangerous file for maths. Overall, their performance was in the good to very category. So in the discussion, the results saw the students' opinion about their skill match their actual performance. This means students understand their abilities realistically. Students perform better when the online deception was clear and familiar. However, they may still struggle with more subtle misinformation, such as biased news or partial truths. These findings show that EFL students can apply critical reading skill in real online situation even when using English. In conclusion, the studies show that EFL students have fairly good critical reading skill when evaluating online information. They can identify clear online deception, but they still need more practice in evaluating complex and hidden bias. Therefore, FL's reading classes should be used more real text to help students improve their critical reading skill. And that is the explanation of my group article. And thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.